Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends on Nintendo Switch. First, you'll need to download the game from the Nintendo eShop. Make sure your Switch has enough storage, about 25 gigabytes, for the game and updates. A stable internet connection is crucial for online matches. Finally, link your EA account or create a new one to ensure your progress is saved across sessions. Next, let's talk about controls. The Nintendo Switch offers various customization options. Dive into the settings menu to adjust your look sensitivity and aiming response curves. Many players find gyro aiming incredibly helpful for precise adjustments, so definitely give that a try. Experiment with different button mappings to find what feels most natural for your playstyle. When playing on Switch, consider some specific strategies. Close quarters combat often feels more manageable on the smaller screen. Always use the in-game ping system to communicate effectively with your squad, sharing enemy locations or loot. Choose legends with abilities that suit fast-paced, mobile gameplay. Don't forget to spend time in the firing range to hone your aim and movement. Finally, let's discuss performance and crossplay. Apex Legends on Switch generally runs at 30 frames per second, offering a smooth experience. You can also enjoy crossplay, teaming up with friends on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. While there are some visual differences compared to other consoles, the core gameplay remains intact. Always ensure your Switch's system software is updated for the best performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.